All right. You got the right one done. Very good, very good. Slides are sounding a lot better too. Very, very good. So, going to try something a little bit different. I'm going to try this with pretty much everybody for a bit, see how it goes. And that's removing repeats for the most part and just increasing the amount of stuff that is worked up. And this goes for the material such as this, where we're working to gain control over a certain technique or rhythm or stuff like that. And it will save the shorter things for the more pure speed-based stuff. So I was kind of curious how it's going to go. I'm always trying to think of ways to improve lessons for everybody, and sometimes you just got to try a new thing when just have this nagging idea, like let's just try this and see what happens. So we're going to do that. So basically the same approach, just work it up, max it out, and then call it a day and try and do better the next time. So with this one, we have a rhythm I like to call a drunken gallop. So a regular gallop has eighth note, then 2/16. So you get the 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and the reverse gallop has 2/16 and then an eighth. So the 1E and 2E and 3E and 4E and so both of those have some combination of 2/16 notes and an 8. Just one has the eighth note first and then 2/16. The other has the 2/16 notes first and then the eighth. Well, this one also has 2/16 and an eighth note, but eighth note's now in the middle. 16th note, 8th note, 16th note. So it's kind of a gallop, but it feels really weird. So that's why I call it the drunken gallop. I guess I could call it the weird gallop, but that doesn't sound very funny. So drunken gallop it is. So here we go. Great idea. Learn the pattern first. So basically sticking in, I like to think of it as like friendly finger patterns. So you got like the whole step stuff, the half step, whole step, and whole step, half step. So basically you do the same kind of pattern each section of the fretboard on both strings. So like here, starting on the 13th fret, you got the whole steps. Starting on the 12th fret, you got the half step, whole steps. Starting on the 10th fret, you got the whole step, half step. And then on the 8th fret, you got the whole step once again. Okay, so playing this without the rhythm part. So you basically, after you play that, you reverse it. Now you move down. Reverse it. Move it down. So once you feel comfortable with that, add in the rhythmic part and absolutely break this down into smaller pieces if you need to. Oops. 1E, 2E, 3E, 4E, 1E, 2E, 3E, 4, 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 1E, 2E, 3E, 4. Okay, let's go with 20s. 1, 2, 3, 4. 120. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, try 140. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Number 2. Alright, so this one, we're basically playing, we got a group of notes for the ascending portion and a group of notes for the descending portion. We're just changing the octave in which we're playing in. So basically we have this, and then we play that an octave higher. And the same notes again, an octave higher. And then we have this descending group. Play it again, an octave lower. And again, same notes, an octave lower. So here we have a combination of the 3 different gallops. We have the regular one, reverse, then the drunken gallop. And then we got the quarter note to give ourselves a bit of a mental break. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 90 this time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oof. 1, 2, 3, 4. $120. 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's give 150 a go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Go. So, any questions come up, let me know, and I will see you again next week.